Welcome to KGS Interior Designs. Interior design tips to impress guests instantly. Hang interesting pendant lights. Lighting can represent the moment of truth, even the best inside structure. In the event that you need to intrigue visitors with exciting home inside plan, make certain to get lighting right. Pendant lights are the best decision of lighting for an advanced home inside. In any case, with regards to pendant lights, ensure you pick something that has an exceptional, ordinary plan, one that calls consideration and can trigger visual concentrate upward. Receive an open plan design. On the off chance that you need to make a solid effect in your hall, our senior fashioners at Decor suggest embracing an open plan structure if conceivable. This inside plan will cause your home to show up more extensive than it really is. Include some eye-catching shine. One of the most immaculate inside structure thoughts that you can apply to your house is to include eye-getting sparkle, for example, precious stone frill, bronze furnishings, or brightening pieces made of metal or treated steel. These great inside plan thoughts will leave your visitors enlivened the second they step through your entryway. Brighten with large plants. Plants are an incredible method to make your home to stick out, regardless of whether outside or inside. In the event that you need your inside structure to stick out, enhance your home insides with huge plants. Mastermind a few huge plants in the passage or spot them in your lounge room. What's more, plants don't cost a ton of cash, they make for a good thought when hoping to raise your inside structure on a careful spending plan. Spruce up your walls. Our inside planners at Decor accept that discover backdrop, progressively turning into a pattern mentioned regularly. To dazzle your visitors, enhance your dividers with backdrops that have alluring and uncommon examples, shading, and plans. You can decide on disconnected fundamental structures that are nature enlivened or other brilliant plans that will transform your dividers into a lovely showstopper. Hoist with white woodwork. Notwithstanding the shading that you've decided for your inside plan, consider hoisting your home with astonishing white woodwork. This inside structure for home offers a sweet differentiation against splendidly hued dividers and dull wooden floors. It additionally gives a conventional edge to your inside structure while making your home insides look new and rich. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel for more interior ideas.